Many colleges and universities ask students to use APA style in their work. So how do you correctly format and present an APA style cover page? I'm Jack from Proof. Before we get started, there's a quick distinction we should note. The guidelines in this video are for an APA style student title page. If you're a professional researcher, you'll need to prepare an APA style professional title page for your project. We won't discuss it in this video here because the format is a little different. When preparing an APA style student title page, there are 6 things you need to include. They are a title, an author name, an author affiliation, the course information, the due date of the assignment, and a page number. Let's look at what each of those 6 elements involves. Your paper title should be centered, bold, and placed 3 or 4 double-spaced lines from the top of your page. It should also be in title case, which means capitalizing the first word of the title and subtitle, all pronouns, nouns, verbs, adjectives, and adverbs, any other word more than 3 letters long. There's no maximum length for titles, but try to keep it focused and use key terms. You can also place the subtitle of your paper on a separate line if you prefer. Author name. After the title, leave 1 double-spaced blank line and then add the author name. Like the title, this should be centered. If you worked with someone else who is also an author of the paper, you'll need to add "and" between your names. If you're submitting a group project, use a comma after each name, then add "and" before the last one. Author affiliation for a student title page refers to the place where you study. This goes on the next line and should include the department and the institution separated by a comma. Next, you'll need to add the course information. On the next line down from author affiliations, give the course number and the course name separated by a colon. If you're not sure what to include here, check your course materials or ask your instructor. On the next line down, give the name of your course instructor, also centered. Due date. On the next line, add the date that the paper is due using your local date format, also centered. For US viewers, this will be month, date, year, and for pretty much everywhere else, it will be date, month, year. Finally, make sure to include the page number in the top right corner of your page. This should start with 1 because naturally the cover page is your first page. To do this in Microsoft Word, simply go to Insert, Page Number, select Top of Page, and then select the right alignment. This will add numbers throughout your paper, including on the cover page. If you've followed this video, you should now be able to create a perfectly formatted APA-style cover page for your student project. For more advice and guidance on the APA style, check the links in the description, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tips in future. Your writing, proofed.